Hey, what's up, YouTube? Check out my little baby common snapping turtle that I got over the summer. It's November now. It's gotten a little bit bigger. Still ain't big as nothing. Look how adorable. Not aggressive at all. I also got a soft shell in there. She's a lot bigger though. You can see her down there hiding. Fully submerged. Yeah. Check it out. And here he is wandering around. Ain't he so cute? Just a little baby. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.